All right, do you have an audio file or a GIF or video that's stored in Google Drive that you want to put into your Insert Learning lesson? Here are the steps to follow to accomplish this. What you'll need is this iframe code. Pretty much any iframe code is going to work, but we've got a couple of different steps that we're going to do to actually embed our audio file. We'll do first. So first thing is we're going to share the audio file. And when you do this, make sure that you set it so that anyone with a link can view it. And then we're going to do that. Then we'll go ahead and copy that link. Over here, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my sticky note right there. All right, so the problem is that if you just simply paste the link, it's just going to embed as a link. And students will be able to click on that, but it's going to open in a different tab. So what we want to do is end up taking this chunk of code, and what you're going to do is where it says source right here, you're going to be putting in your code, and you're also going to replace where it says view, which is simply preview. So first what I'm going to do is just simply copy this code. All right, so I'm just going to select all that and copy that. And in a new tab, I'm just going to paste. Oh, I want to actually hit return. All right. So then what I'm going to do is, while I've got that code in there in the URL bar, I'm going to copy the actual file that I want. And up here, and paste that in. And now I'm going to delete all the way back to where it said view. Now type in preview. And select all of that, copy all of that, and then going back to here, I'll delete my old sticky note, paste my sticky note, and then I paste, and then it'll play. So students can now listen to that, and they can go through and play it. You can do the same thing with any video file, or like animated GIF or other kind of file where you don't have just simply a direct link to it. So I've got my yes GIF right here that I want. Now I will point out one of the things is you have to make sure that you'll notice up here at the URL bar, if I open up the audio file or if I open up the GIF, this isn't really changing up there, and it's because it's not giving me the link. It's just kind of a little preview there. So if I wanted to embed this GIF, what I would need to do is the same thing. I need to set it so that I've got my share settings. So I'm going to copy that, and then going back over here, I can actually just use the same code that we had before, that same iframe code. I'm just going to change the view into preview and copy all of that, and going back to here, return, and now it's going to embed that. And students also have the option of where they can open that up and go to another one with the images, then they can zoom in on those too. And so this is the same thing, follow the same steps for if you want to use a video. So again, just real quick recap, make sure that you are using the link when you open the when you click on the share settings, instead of the one when you end up getting, when you just simply double click it to open it up. So you have to make sure you click on share settings and then change share settings and copy that and change view to preview and put it into that code. This code I'll put into the description for the video. So go and take a look at that. Or you can just simply type that out. Just modify that one where it says source in between the quotes.